Let's take a look at family assistance programs. Family assistance programs help employees provide care to young children and dependent elderly relatives. Presumably, employees are likely to attend work regularly and work productively when these family members receive necessary attention. Employers offer a range of programs to support employees with family assistance responsibilities, including referrals, on site care, and company sponsored child or elder care. Referral services are the least costly, connecting employees with community resources through workshops, newsletters, or EAPs. Elder care programs provide physical, emotional, or financial help for aging or disabled relatives, while child care programs focus on supervising and preparing young children for school. The need for these programs has grown due to longer life expectation, dual income households, and single parent families. Some employers also subsidize community based daycare centers, which typically provide meals, supervision, and licensed care. Other organizations choose to sponsor on site daycare centers, offering services that are like community based centers.